Hi everyone, today we will be doing a DIY craft kit using DIY paint products. DIY paint is highly pigmented with only 9 ingredients, so a little goes a long way. You can follow this kit exactly how we do it, or you can take your own spin on it. Hi guys, thank you so much for grabbing this kit. Open up your box and take everything out. It comes with everything you need to make it. Sometimes it's helpful to cut the little paint containers apart, but you don't have to. You want to use dark and decrepit for the edges of your base. This works like a stain on raw wood. Next, take your white swan and give the base one good coat. Then take your farm brush and cover the base of the house. You want to get a nice, good, full coat on there. After the paint is dry, sand your base along the edges as well as the house along the edges. Next, you will take your old school paint and cover your popsicle sticks in them. Let them dry and then measure just under 2 inches with a pencil, marking both sides of the popsicle sticks. You will do this to all of them. Make sure to save the center of your popsicle stick to make the windows and the doors. Alright, now it's time to cut. Take some scissors and cut right along the pencil marks of the popsicle sticks. Next, take your wood glue and get an even amount across the back of the unpainted popsicle stick. Then you will want to glue 3 pieces on each side to the house. Make sure to use the wood glue sparingly so the popsicle sticks don't warp. Next, place a house on the base and mark the corner so that you know where to place the nails so they don't go into the house. Next, take your little baby nails and find a hammer and hammer them into the base around the sides. After you're done hammering, grab that house and put it back on and be proud of yourself because you measured and it lines up perfect. Then take more wood glue and grab your popsicle stick and get the whole bottom base covered. Then you will put your house back into the alignment. Now this is the detailing part, so you can go to town and have fun with this. You can get creative and do it however you want. We painted a little door handle and some windows, but you can doll it up however you would like. We're gonna do this first method to make the snow. Take a little bit of your white swan and put it on a paper plate. Let it sit out till it dries halfway, and then it will be the consistency of snow. We do sell DIY paint frosting, and this you can use a tiny bit and add it to your paint to thicken it up and turn it into frosting. If you do not have this, just use a paper plate method. Now, whatever method you use to make your snow, this is up to your artistic expression on how to pile that snow on the roof. Now it's time to put some snow on the base. You're gonna do the same thing and just put it where you would like it. Then you can take your toothpick and grab some of the snow and line the door with it, because of course the snow is gonna fall on the door too. Lastly, cover your tree with some snow. How cute is this? Now for the best part, we're gonna glitter this house up. You want to put this glitter on before the paint dries so that it can dry in it and stick to it. Just take your little fingers and pinch some glitter out and put it all over where the snow is. Next, take your cord and tie it to the ends of the nails to create a cute fence. After you're finished with your cute little fence, you are done. This kit is so cute and so fun to make. Enjoy this with your friends or family or by yourself. To find this kit, please visit DIYpaint.co to find a local retailer near you. Thank you so much for watching. For more fun DIY videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when we put out our next video.